What if the smallest drone in DJI's lineup suddenly became powerful enough to challenge much bigger models? What if a palm-sized flying camera could deliver pro-level color, longer flight times, and smarter safety features while staying completely beginner-friendly? That is exactly why the rumored DJI Neo 3 is generating massive buzz across tech communities. With prototype sightings and insider reports pointing to a late 2026 launch window, this tiny aircraft might just be the biggest surprise of the year. While previous Neo models focused strictly on simplicity and quick social media captures, the Neo 3 is rumored to address the format's biggest limitation: the camera sensor. Larger sensor architecture, moving away from smaller legacy sensors. A larger chip captures drastically more light, transforming low-light performance, reducing night shot noise, and maximizing dynamic range for rich sunsets and sharp details. 10-bit D-Log M color, a massive win for content creators, allowing richer color depth per frame, advanced color grading flexibility, and seamless footage matching with other professional DJI cameras. Enhanced HDR recording, built to make short-form content instantly pop on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Battery life has always been the bottleneck for micro-drones. However, leaked specifications suggest the Neo 3 could push up to 24 minutes of flight time per battery. For a palm-sized device, this jump, driven by optimized motor efficiency and power management, means less landing anxiety, greater travel flexibility, and more opportunities to lock down that perfect shot. Safety and connectivity are receiving serious overhauls as well. Advanced obstacle sensing. Moving past basic directional limitations, rumors point toward a more comprehensive obstacle detection layout, making autonomous tracking and indoor flying significantly safer for beginners. O4+ video transmission. Upgraded transmission technology could enable a stable range of up to 10 kilometers in ideal open conditions, ensuring a rock-solid live feed with minimal signal drop. While competitors in the lightweight creator space are pushing automation hard, DJI holds a massive edge: its mature ecosystem. Flawless app stability, refined flight algorithms, and long-term software support make it exceptionally difficult for rivals to unseat. If the DJI Neo 3 launches with a larger sensor, 10-bit color, smarter obstacle tracking, and extended battery life, while keeping a consumer-friendly price point, it won't just be a toy. It will be a powerhouse creative tool in a tiny body. Everything hinges on a final pricing strategy. But if DJI hits the mark, it could easily become the defining beginner drone of 2026. What feature has you most excited to upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.